Hey everybody, it is John C. Morley, serial entrepreneur here, back again at the J Moore Reviews channel, and we have another product to take a look at today. We've got the desktop calendar clock fan with calendar and temperature. Really easy to take out of the box. Let's see what we have in here. I guess packaging is very expensive in China. So you get a little book. Can they spare this? It's a whole 6 pages, and each page is not even a fraction. Wow. All right, well, they did actually put some color in here. That's nice. Great thing to have on a hot day. So here's our fan. It has a switch on the back, so you can go to fan mode, off, and then you have the 2 bars, which means the fan and the LED is on. And over here you have a little set button. All right, let's take a look and see how this works. But first of all, you're gonna see there's a fan, but you can see there's a little circuit board attached to the fan, and there's little LEDs. I'm not sure if you can see that, but that's actually what's gonna become the output of our clock calendar fan. So we'll get to see how that works, and it also will give us the temperature. So let's plug that in and take a look at it. All right, so we've just plugged this into our USB port. I'm gonna go ahead and turn on the power. I'm gonna first just try the fan itself. And I have to tell you, a very nice cool breeze. So if you're in an office and your boss doesn't want to put on the air conditioner, this might not be a bad fan to have at your desk. All right, so let's take a look at some of the other features. If we turn the switch to the middle, it shuts off. If we turn it on to the second rocker position, I still get the nice fan, but I get something else. Isn't that neat? I get the clock, I get the year, the month, and the day, and I also get the temperature in Celsius, which is 27 degrees Celsius currently, and then if we wait a few seconds, it'll actually come back and it will show us that it is 81 degrees Fahrenheit. I don't think that's correct. I have the air conditioning on here, so I'm probably guessing that the sensor they have in here is probably not accurate at all. Okay, my review on this fan. Yes, it has a nice breeze, so if you're buying it for the fan and to stay cool, great. What I am a little bit against is how you set things on this. Now in the book, they tell you to, if you want to set the clock or to set the date, they tell you just to simply have the fan on in position 2, which I do. And if you want to set something, you basically hold down the set button on the back. You'll hold it down. Once you hold it down, it'll start blinking. If I was to press it again, it would then go ahead and change. Right now I'm on the year. Okay, here's what they don't tell you, and most people may not figure this out. I'm gonna put that back to 21, which is our current year. All right, in 6 seconds it automatically saves and it stops. There we go. I'm gonna hold down the set button again. Starts flashing, let it go for a second. Now hold it down for another 2 seconds. You'll see that it now moved on to the next item, which is actually the month. Hold it down, okay? It went back to the year. Why? Because you have to do it quick. If it times out, then you have to start over again. So I'm gonna hold the button down 2 seconds, hold it down again, quick, hold it down again. I literally left it off for 1 second. So that entire step was left out of the manual. I gotta give it a review. It has a nice fan. It is pretty cool, but there's another drawback. It has a non-replaceable battery. Not good. I really wanted to give you a better rating. And we've looked at some fans before, and as much as I'd love to give this like a 4 or even a 5, I can't in good conscience. I'm gonna give it a 3.5 because it has a nice cool breeze and it does maintain the time and you are able to set it, but they didn't tell you that. And I think it's gonna frustrate a lot of users. Anyway, I am John C. Morley, serial entrepreneur with the J Moore Unboxing Reviews channel. And I wanna invite you that if you have a product that you'd like us to review, reach out to us. You'll need to donate it to us. We'll do a complete unboxing and a review right here on our channels, but you can't pay us to tell us what to say. We're gonna give you the truth about what we find out. So if you want the public to know about what your product is and what it truly can do, reach out to us because we would love to explore it and share it with our viewers. Until then, I'll see you in another video.